So that's 1.5 cup all-purpose flour, half cup cocoa powder. Now I'm going to sieve. We sieve to get rid of the lumps. See this little lump? That's what we're getting rid of. Today I am making chocolate cupcakes with a bit of cream cheese in the center. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a like, leave a beautiful comment or whatever comment, subscribe, share. For the center of my cupcakes, I'll cream 250 grams of cream cheese. I'm sure this is way more than what I'll probably use, but better to have more than less. 250 grams cream cheese with 1/4 cup sugar. Teaspoon vanilla. I'll add this to my piping bag. So this stay aside until I'm ready. 3/4 cup sugar, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup melted butter, 1/4 cup oil. I'm gonna cream. Teaspoon vanilla. I'm making my favorite coffee to add to my cupcake, my international delight. And now I'm adding some hot water to my coffee and my coffee cream to make it 1 cup. So for my dry ingredients, this is my 1.5 cup flour with my 1/2 cup cocoa powder, teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon baking powder, so half of my dry ingredients to my wet, half of my delicious coffee, remainder of my dry, and the remainder of my coffee. This coffee brings out the taste of the chocolate, but you could just easily add plain water, warm water. It's best. And this is it. I don't want to overmix. Half in. So guys, we're filling this halfway because we're going to put the cream cheese in the center. the remainder of the chocolate to cover this cream cheese. So now we'll bake this at 350 for 25 minutes. So here are my cupcakes. Just come out the oven. Wow, chocolate cupcakes with cream cheese filling.